YouTube? MS Welchie 2010 here. I'm going to do a review on the Nerf Barricade RV10. Yeah, it's automatic. Yeah, I'm going to be doing the goods and the bads and a quick firing test. I'm going to do the goods first. Goods are, it holds 10 darts. It doesn't hold streamlines though. Another good is it holds recon or raider stocks. It doesn't come with the stock though. And another good thing is you don't even have to cock anything to shoot it. You just flick on this on switch and it'll go like that and you just shoot. And it shoots. So, yeah, that's basically all the goods. Some bads are, if you do this, you have to do that to shoot. And, if you're in a Nerf 4, it's really loud, and everybody knows where you are if you have this gun. That's basically about all the bads, actually. I can't really think of anything bad about this gun, except for that. Turn it around to do a firing test.
From here to the wall is about 20 feet.
Yeah. Holding it straight. Hit the bottom of the wall. So, if the wall is about 20 feet and hit the bottom, the range might have been 35 feet. So, this has been MS Welchie 2010. Subscribe. Thanks for watching.